Hi teachers, it's Kat from catteacher.com and I wanted to show you my brand new Build a Rainbow. This is one of the simpler things that I've built, but it actually worked out really well. And after a lot of trial and error, I made it so that you can build the colors one by one. So what you're basically going to do is you can have your video here, but if you're in the free version, you might be kind of blocked by a cloud. So think about that whenever you're adding in your video. You could kind of sit here or you could be down here. But if you've got the paid version, you can easily add yourself here. What we do essentially is you just kind of, you build the rainbow. So you can either build it from, the bottom in, or you can build it, the other way around. But basically, no matter what you do, you will be able to. Now, you can move the background, but the other ones shouldn't move. So they're just going to build on top of themselves in order, and they're going to be the right size to do that. So I'm going to take you to my website, and I'm going to show you how to do this kind of thing. So let's go ahead and clean out all of this. I'll be right back, and we'll go straight to the website. Okay, so I've cleared everything off. There's no effects in my unordered area. I've got a free preset. So basically, let's go and check out my website. This is the Build a Rainbow secondary reward system. And what you're going to basically do is download all of the files. The little kiddos aren't included. And you are going to easily build your own rainbow. Now, if you look at the Manycam effects for building the rainbow here, you can see that you're going to have all these little pieces that will fit together. So if you do want to have a background where you have your video sitting on top of it, go ahead and download this image as well. So save image as, and you're going to need to have it as a PNG. That's the only way that's going to work to put your video on top of it. So then we can just download all of the MCV files, and we can click right here and it will download them. Okay, so let's go ahead and click open our Build a Rainbow MCV files. I'm going to select all of these here. I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit open. And when I look in Manycam, look, all of these unordered show up. Now, normally they will come in this unordered file. Sometimes they'll come into the overlays. That could be another place that they might be hiding. Now, basically, if I wanted to build this right on top of me, I totally could. And that's an option if that's how you want to do it. If you want to set it up as a preset, you can go over here. Actually, I really like this. This is really cute. So I'm going to transition over here to another preset, and I'm going to add a media file. So maybe we just want to have this set up in the background so that but I love this too much. I want this forever. Basically, we can have this so it can be your reward. Now, over here, you have the media file, which means that you can move this around. Now, if you don't really like that and you don't want to add in your video, you can add it as an overlay. Now, you will not have a video with an overlay, but you can also not kind of mess it up either. And it all kind of works the same. Oops. So we'll click those kind of on and off. I'm going to show you how to add this new, this is why I hate media files, because that really bothers me. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you what to do. You're going to right click, you're going to add a new layer, and this layer does not move in the free version, but if you have the paid version, you can move it around and you can make it a little bit smaller. I will probably add myself right here in the middle. Da, 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 da. And then I can build the rainbow around me. Now, another cool thing might be that if you do have your Manycam small enough, you could essentially add a new layer and you could have me on the side here. You can add the desktop, an area, let's see, a custom area, and you could essentially add in your student. So if my student is sitting, say, over here, well, then if my Manycam is small enough, which it could be, and my student was right here, then you can kind of be sitting with you and your student together. So it would be kind of funny because you could both sit together looking at the rainbow. So then, yeah, so it's basically anything under the custom area here. Custom area probably can only be made with the paid version, just to give you an FYI. And you build your beautiful rainbow, and then you add the clouds, and then you guys can sit and and gaze up at the rainbow on your own. Okay, so that's it. Super simple. I still love this. I just wish it was like, oh yeah, if I could sit like right here, I would just have a rainbow on me the entire time. So happy Pride Month. Have a wonderful month of June, and I will see you again soon on catteacher.com. Thanks, guys. Bye.